Hey guys, it's me Ariana back with another video today. If you don't like me and my videos, then you don't want to watch it. The lighting is so good. I gotta take some pictures here. I take too many pictures, but who cares? Confident queen. Anyway, today we're just basically going to be like organizing some stuff. I already started, so I'll show you what I started. Sorry about all my cords, but I already started like cleaning my drawers and stuff, and all of my like summery dresses and stuff are back here, and then there's a couple here, and then these are just like summery shirts and all like summery shirts. And then in this drawer is like all of my other like regular shirts, t-shirts that aren't like graphic tees, and then I have my bodysuits here. So that's like all the like organizing I did so far. But then I have some clothes here to give away because when I was reorganizing all my shirts and stuff, I went through them and I'm getting rid of some. So if you can see the mess behind me on my bed, that's obviously from cleaning and organizing. So I found two of my like random pillows that I have. So I found these. This is a summer pillow, but it doesn't go with like my bed stuff. So I'm obviously not going to use that. So I'm just going to put that down on the floor for now. And then this is a Christmas pillow. So I'm also going to put that on the floor. And then I have some jackets I have to hang up. So this is my senior hoodie. I need to hang that up, which I'm going to. And then one of my sister's hoodies that I need to give to her. So I have a bunch of bags here that I need to go through. This one is my old like book bag from school, and this is what I've been using for overnight, but it's like old now, so I think I'm gonna clean this one out and give it away. I don't know yet. We'll see. That one's a maybe. I don't know. But this book bag needs to throw away because the zipper broke. So that's going away. And then I think I'll keep my unicorn one because I just got this senior year and I didn't really use it because it was small. But I think I'm going to keep this one for like, you know, overnight or whatever. I don't know. Those two, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out later. But I have so many purses and stuff. Obviously, I'm not going to get rid of these, but like, I should probably do a purse collection. This is the one that I'm currently using. But yeah, I think I'll do a purse collection today too, since the lighting's really good. So I have shoes that I'm just gonna put in here. Like I have my Converse, my Vans. I'm gonna leave those out. I'm giving these away. And then I'm just gonna put these right in on top, so. So I moved the camera, so the lighting's gonna change. So I'm using my selfie ring light, but I still have like other clothes I have to put away, and all of these drawers are full. Like, here, hold on. This is like my pajama drawer with like my bras and underwear and socks and stuff, and it's full. And I still have more stuff to put in there. Like, I don't get it. Okay, so I'm gonna give this away too, and then I'm gonna give this shirt away too. It's inside out, but I'm giving that away too. I just organized my stand with you guys in a recent vlog, and it's already a mess. So let's fix that. I'm really sweaty, so I think, I don't know, I might turn on my fan, but I just put my Bath & Body Works back right here where all the rest of them are. And then I had this tape over here to put my lights back up because one of like the strings was like, you know, hanging down because it fell and I forgot to put it back up. So just gonna put that in the drawer and then put my little nail kit in, you know, my messy drawer that you guys know. My hairbrush too. I'm just gonna put everything in this drawer because I don't know where else to put it. Lights on because I thought that would be cute. So this is messy, and basically, yeah, I just need to clean clean this up. And this looks gross. Like, it looks cluttered, so I'm just gonna move that there. This also makes it look cluttered, so I'm gonna move that somewhere. This is gonna stay where it is, covering my Alexa. I don't know. It all just looks too messy, you know? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it's just my anxiety. But I'm gonna scoot this over a little bit so that doesn't fall. So I'm just gonna put this bag right in there because you can barely see, you know, you can barely see it from over here. And then this bag, I'm just going to put it back there like that. Is that cute? That one's not too bad. This one just looks a wreck, and I don't have the patience for that right now, so I'm not. I didn't really do much today, but I'm beat. And I still have to film another video because I don't know, like I came up with a couple video ideas and I just need to get them filmed before I forget. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe we'll do another one because we're getting a house built and we're moving soon. So there will definitely be a lot of like declutter with me, organize with me, you know, type videos. I'm out of breath because it's so hot in my room because I turned off the fan so you guys can hear me. But I hope you enjoyed this. See you in my next one.